Good morning to one and all. My name is Hardik from ACEG Engineering College, Mechanical Final Year. We are conducting a 5 days hands-on workshop on non-destructive technology. This was conducted by Vidal International. In non-destructive technologies, there are some subtopics. They are liquid penetrating inspection, magnetic particle inspection, ultrasonic testing, positive material identification, visual inspection, film and digital radiography, computing thermography, and eddy current testing.
NDT, non-destructive technology, is a wide group of analysis techniques used in science, technology and industry to evaluate the properties of a material, components or system without breaking and causing.
There are three chemicals used in this process: penetrant, developer and cleaner. Penetrant could either be green, red or pink. Developer is white and cleaner is colorless.
First process is surface preparation. It is also known as pre-cleaner. In this process we use cleaner to remove the dust and rust from the surface.
Second process is applying penetrant. In this process we apply dye using paint, brush, spray or pouring on the cleaned surface. In this process we apply penetrate 20 to 30 centimeters away from workpiece.
Third process is well done. After applying the penetrate, minimum 10 minutes should be given because to allow the penetrate into the openings of the surfaces.
Process is removing the extra penetrant. It is removed by the help of a cloth in any one direction.
After removal of excess penetration on the material, we apply the developer. The developer color is white.
Next process is inspection. After applying the developer, immediately the visual inspection should be done up to 7 minutes. It takes 7 minutes to install the developer into the material.
As a part of non-destructive testing, we have gone through magnetic particle testing, in which we can measure the subsurface defect till 6 mm. The main principle involved in this procedure is magnetic flux leakage. Coming to the procedure, the initial and forward step we have to take is to clean the surface area, which comes under the pre-preparation. And the procedure involved in this is ASME Section 5 and Article 7, which is of American Standards for Mechanical Engineering. And the secondary step we have to take is to apply the constraint paint, which will useful us to emboss the crack area or the defected area. Then the third step is to apply the magnetism to the component. This magnetism is applied with the help of the electromagnetic flow. We should catch the electromagnetic flow, and by supplying the power, we will able to apply the magnetism to the component. And coming to step 4, apply the ferromagnetic ink to the component during magnetizing, which will be much useful to emboss the crack. Coming to the interpret of test area, where the electromagnetic is embossed much, we will consider it as a defect. And after interpreting, we have to post-clean and demagnetize if required. Post-cleaning is a crucial thing in this procedure because so that the components can be used furtherly.
So, can you explain what is the feature of NDT, sir?
Nowadays, every company is every customer wants the quality of the material. Okay, not only in other products. When it comes to the mechanical, quality plays an important role. Okay, if we destruct the material and then check the quality of that material, then it is a loss of money, loss of manpower time. Will lose so much of money. Okay, that's why non-destructive testing plays a vital role in the industrial sector, not only in industrial sector, whether it is in erection or oil and gas field. Okay, erection means nothing but construction of steel structures. Okay, as well as even at automobiles industries also nowadays looking for more quality. Okay, that's why manufacturers have made an impact on the quality department. Okay, that's it.
Apart from India, is there any other opportunities in the foreign side?
Yes, NDT has developed it first of all in the foreign countries. Okay, NDT has developed in America and then Europe countries first of all. From the past 30 years, okay, NDT technicians and NDT is also one of the department under quality department. That's why from the past 30 years, NDT engineers and NDT technicians plays a key role in the Middle East area. Middle East means not only in the Middle East, like South Africa, Iran, Iraq. Why? Because wherever the oil and gas industry is have a huge lot of opportunities, NDT technicians are also there.
Sir, can you give the overall feedback to our students? Sir?
Overall feedback means nothing but first of all, as a student, we don't know anything, okay, regarding like which stream, which industries we want to choose, like this, okay. First of all, we have to choose one stream as a student. Apart from other streams, when it comes to the NDT department means nothing but we don't say NDT department, actually it is a quality department. Nowadays in India, out of 100 companies, 95% companies are following the strict rules regarding quality policy. Okay, that's why in quality there are huge lot of opportunities. Okay, so as a student you have to search where are the opportunities in the quality department. That's all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your presence and your knowledge. And we hope we have gained a lot of knowledge from you, sir. Thank you for coming to ACEG Engineering College.